Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT mobile app for daily tasks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as you know, ChatGPT has its own mobile app as well, so you can simply go to your Play Store or App Store and simply download ChatGPT. Once you download your ChatGPT, all you gotta do is simply use it as you use your ChatGPT on your website. You can simply give it prompts, and you can simply use it to leverage your new task, that is like set recurring reminders, get daily summaries, news, motivation, etc., and manage to-dos via natural language prompts, receiving notification on your phones, and even editing your schedules, making it a very powerful personal assistant for consistent productivity. So in this way you can simply use your ChatGPT mobile app for daily tasks. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.